Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone and plan support 5G. This matters because not all models or plans permit 5G-only mode. Once done, update the operating system to the latest release so menus match these instructions. Make sure you have a recent backup and at least 20% battery. Now open Settings and locate Network or Connections. This is where you'll change radio preferences. Follow these initial steps precisely to avoid losing service mid-change. You now change the network mode. In Settings, go to Connections, Mobile Networks, then Network Mode or Preferred Network Type. This path varies by manufacturer, so read each label. Once there, select 5G only, 5G/NR only, or disable LTE and 3G options so the device prefers 5G exclusively. If the option is grayed out, make sure airplane mode is off and restart the phone. After selecting 5G only, monitor signal bars and data throughput. For a few minutes, you finish by restarting the phone to apply the new radio setting, and then check that the 5G icon appears and data speeds match expectations. If you see frequent drops or no 5G, revert to automatic or 5G/LTE to restore service, because some cells use dynamic handoffs that require fallback. Make sure APN settings match your carrier. If problems continue, contact your carrier and provide device model and IMSI. They can verify provisioning or push carrier settings remotely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.